Yeah, here we go. I'm calling McDonald's. Quiet. What should I say?
Quiet!
I'm not right now, but like what should I say?
I challenge you to a duel. Water pistols at dawn.
No, I'll do it. Guys, are quiet.
Quiet! Quiet!
Shut up, Curtis.
Stupid. Guys, quiet. Guys, shh.
I don't really care. Again,
Come on.
I challenge you to a duel. Water pistols at dawn.
Hello?
Water pistols. At dawn. I challenge you to a duel.
I like turtles.
I love turtles. Hello? You're good. That was awesome.
The girl was laughing. Okay, we're done. No.
I think that'd be fun.
Yeah, I would.
Right?
Dude, people are gonna like come to my house and be like,
I love turtles.
I like.
Did you call this one?
No, call a different McDonald's, yeah.